So 3, differentiate each of the following function with respect to x. So same lah. So what happened is we are doing one by one, right? So a, y is equal to 4x squared 5 minus x. So here we can expand, which is equal to 4x squared times 5, you get 20x squared. 4x squared minus x, we get minus 4x squared. X is equal to x to the power of half. So here we know that when we multiply x with x, we are adding the power. Minus 4, this one will be x 2 plus half. So here you get 20x squared minus 4. So 2 times half, you get 5 over 2, right? Now we can do differentiation. You are doing one by one. So dy over dx is equal to, so when we do differentiation, what we do is that we bring the power forward. And then minus the power with 1. So constant won't be affected. So we just write 2 here. So 2 bring forward will be 2. And then x, you see x to the power of 2. So we have the minus the power with 1. You get 2 minus 1. Okay. So here in this case, you can directly multiply 2 with 20, because when you bring forward, actually you are multiplying the value with 2. So you can directly write 40 actually, if you can see it lah. So this one, so the next one is minus 4. So you see here, 5 over 2, we can directly multiply with 4. So what happened is that you bring the power forward. So you see, you bring the power forward, and then you take x, then you have to minus the power with 1. So 5 over 2 minus 1. Here 20 times 2, you get 40, x power of 1, or x, minus, so 4 times 5 over 2, you can cut this, you get 10. So x, this one is 3 over 2. So which is equal to 40 to the power, 40 times x power of 1 is equal to 40x minus 10. So we know 3 over 2 is equal to x power of 3 and 2. So by is equal to x squared plus 4 over x squared. So you can expand this one. So where you will get x squared squared, you get x4. 2 times 4 over x, so plus 2 times 4 over x times x squared plus 4 over x squared. So x4, this one you will get x squared divided by x is x, right? So plus 8x, this one would be 16 over x squared. So we don't want the power to be below, so we bring it up. We get x4 plus 8x plus 16 x negative 2. So you see here, 1 over x squared is equal to x negative 2. Now we have this, we can do differentiation. So here dy over dx is equal to, so we do this individually. So we take x4 first. What happened is we bring the power forward. So we have 4, because this one is 1, right? 4 times 1 is 4. So we have x, then we minus the power with 1. So 4 minus 1, we get 3. So this one plus, so this one is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. So here we get x. This one is power of 1, right? So 1 minus 1. And this one plus, so we have 16 here. 16 times negative 2 is actually negative 32. You can directly write also. So you get x negative 2 minus 1. So here you get 4x3. So plus x, 1 minus 1 is 0 or equal to 1. You know, x power 0 is equal to 1. Anything power 0 is equal to 1. So this one is minus 32. X negative 2 times minus 1, you get negative 3. So which is equal to 4x3 plus 8 minus 32 over x to the power of 3. So C, you have y is equal to 4x minus 1, 1 minus x divided by x. So we know that x is equal to, this one is 4x minus 1 So this one you can expand. So 4x times 1 is 4x. 4x times negative x, you get negative 4x squared. Negative 1 times 1, you get minus 1. Negative 1 times negative x, you get plus x. So here divided by x to the power of 1 over 2. So this one is 4x plus x is 5x minus 4x squared minus 1 divided by x to the power of half. So we know that everything divided by x. So you see, when you have the same base, you can minus the power. So in index, so we have learned that this one is x power of 1. So this one is also 1 by 1. So this one x. So it's also equal to like this. You can minus 4x squared divided by x half minus 1 over x half. So actually you can minus the power. So this one would be 5, right? You take out 5 and then x divided by x to the power of half. This one is x 1 minus 1 over 2. When you divide, actually you are minusing the power. So this one is minus 4. So you have x2 divided by x half. You get 2 minus half. And then this one would be, since you have negative 1, means negative x negative half. You just bring it up. So here 5x, 1 minus half, you get half. And then this one minus 4x, 2 minus half, you get 4 minus 1, 3 over 2. And then this one is minus x to the power of negative half. So here you do, so here just y is equal to 5x half minus 4x 3 over 2 minus x to the power of negative half. So when we do dy over dx, we do 1 by 1. So when we do 1 by 1, we do this one first. So the power multiply with the constant front. So 5 times half, you see here. So this one is x, and then we minus the power with 1. 1 over 2 minus 1. Okay. Minus, so you can directly multiply 4 times 3 over 2. If you know 12 over 2 is 6, right? You can just directly write 6. It's also okay. 3 over 2. X, and then you see the power is 3 over 2. So we have to minus the power with 1. So 3 over 2 minus 1. And then the third one, you have to minus. See here? So we see here, you bring the power forward. The power is negative half. So you have negative half here. So x. So you have to minus the power with 1. Negative half minus 1. So here you get 5 times half, you get 5 over 2. So x half minus 1, you get negative half. Minus 4 times 3 over 2, you can cut this one. Negative 2 times 3, you get 6. So x 3 over 2 minus 1, you get half. And this one negative and negative, you get positive. Positive what? Positive half. So x negative half minus 1, you get x negative 3 over 2. So you don't want the power to be negative. So here you will be 5, 2x half minus, so this one is positive, right? But we know that the power of half is equal to third x. Plus this one, power is negative, so we bring it forward, x 3 over 2. Which is also equal. We know that when we have the power, so when we have the power is fraction, the below one would be the root. So this one is equal to 5, 2. This one is 1 over 2, right? So third x minus 6 third x. And this one would be plus 1 over. So you see here 3 over 2. So mean x the power of 3 third 2. So we have 2 here, don't forget. Alright.